Morning student, I hope all of you students are well. I am your teacher Sadbure and today we will start chapter Introduction of HTML. So before we start this chapter, I want to quietly explain the way that is easy for you to understand it. Okay? So what is your favorite website? Is it YouTube? Is it Facebook? Or is it Instagram? The logic behind the website is coding which is written in HTML. So as you know that internet is the worldwide network of computer and computer on the internet that is used to storing and running a website. It's called a server. So today we discuss about the structure of website and then we understand what is HTML. Okay, so we start with the structure of website. A website is a composed of three main sections. First, home page, then main section, and other one is subsection. For example, if we give you example at school, like Zahi Public School, like ABC School, the admission section, the vice coordinator section, the coordinator section, the principal house, it's all called main section. And the school is home page, and the classes, libraries, playground, canteen are the subsection. This is the idea of structure of website. So in every website there is a home page, there is a main section, there is a subsection. We can see like Facebook. In Facebook we have three sections. First, home page, then find a friend requests and other subsections, and the main section is your videos, your chat, your like videos. So we can divide every website into three sections: home page, subsection and main section. Home page is the first page of website. This page is usually tells visitor that the website is about. It means home page defines the information of first web page or website. The main section is usually contain the heading of particular areas of website. Okay, and the subsection contain the most of the content. For example, the structure of a school, structure of your website, like find a friend, like someone page you want to like in Facebook or other. So we discussed the structure of website, but how we can make a website? We can make a website or a software by using programming language. Using a computer language. In computer we have three languages. First one is binary language, which computer easily can understand directly because it's called machine language. And then we have assembly language, and then we have high level language. But another kind of language is markup language. Markup language is used to create a website or a web page. So what is HTML? So if you want to define HTML means hypertext markup language. It is a computer language used to create document, web page or display on the World Wide Web. So in this chapter we will learn about the HTML5. HTML5 is a new version of HTML. Okay, so we start HTML coding, and before we start we have required HTML editor, because if you want to draw, if you want to make a web page, you have required to HTML editor. So there are two types of HTML editor. First one is WYSIWYG. It means what you see is what you get, and another is text editor like Notepad, like WordPad, like Amazon Word, something. Okay. So if you want to make a web page, you start a simple Notepad. Okay. I start a simple Notepad. Okay, and write a HTML code. The code is starting with angular bracket and HTML and angular bracket close. Then we write head. Head is used for heading or title or style of website. Then we use title. Okay, and in title you can use your name of website like facebook.com, like youtube.com, and I make my website with name or sir web page. Okay, this is the title of website. It means if I make a website, so the name of website is Sargureya web page. Okay, and close this title. You can close this title by using slash title and angular bracket close. Okay, this is the first step. If you want to draw, if you want to make a web page. Okay, so this is the step. Open Notepad by select all program accessories Notepad. We can easily open Notepad by creating a new Notepad file, like go to new and text document, and here is a file of Notepad. Okay, I have already created, therefore I write the code of HTML. Now second step, select the file and new from the Notepad menu to create a new text document and type HTML document accurately shown in 9.1 figure. So this is the HTML coding which you want to write. Okay, now this coding is quite changed than I have coded. So I start the tag body. These are called HTML tag, like body, like title, like head, like HTML. These code make a website or web page, like building, like block made a building. In same way, HTML tags make a web page. Okay, this is my first web page, and I close body tag by slash and body angular bracket close and close HTML. Okay, starting slash HTML and close this. So this is the coding of simple web page. Okay, now we go to file and save or save as and give the extension of HTML. Okay, yes, you can replace it, and here is my web page. This is my web page. So this is the title of web page, Sargureya web page, and this is that we write on the body tag. Okay, so this is a step to create a simple web page. Okay, these are the 5 steps to create a web page. Okay, now we can move to HTML code. HTML code or HTML tag or HTML element. The web page is made of HTML element, or HTML element is identify the web tag. HTML tag. HTML tag is always beginning with the less than sign and end with the greater than sign. It means HTML tag like head, like title, like body start with greater than sign and close with start with less than sign and close with greater than sign, and these bracket are called angular bracket. Okay, now for example, the tag is making for the text bold or dark is tag B. Okay, so if you want to bold any tag, so we write tag B and close this tag by slash tag b. Okay, and save this page, and now you can refresh your web browser and automatically convert into bold letter. Okay, so this is the second step, and now we move out the. So this is the example of you can write the tag with, this is called open tag, the open tag of bold, and this is called close tag. The difference between these tag, there is a slash between the angular bracket. Before you write the bold tag close, you can write less than slash b and greater than. So this is the, this tag is complete and close. Okay. Another topic is attributes of HTML. Attributes give the extra information about the element. If you want to make website with extraordinary information, then you use the HTML attribute. They are always specified inside the HTML or starting tag. Okay, so have a name value pair. Okay, this is the example of attributes. HTML lng equals to eg. lng means HTML language English. P tag title equals to HTML5, and img scr, it means image screen is equals to flower.gif. Okay, and some there are basic rule of, if you want to draw the HTML page or a web page, so there is some rule are written here following. First rule, the tag name and attributes name are not case sensitive. It means if you write to capital or uppercase letter body is same as lowercase letter body. However, we can use lowercase is recommended. So we can use lowercase, and if you change to into uppercase, okay, and refresh your browser, there is no difference. Okay, it means there is no difference between if you write to uppercase letter or a lowercase letter in tag name. Attribute should be always be enclosed with quotes. Double style quotes are the most common, but single style quotes is also allowed. Okay, this is the second rule. Now move to third rule, and the third rule is that attributes value can be case sensitive. It means if you want to write attribute, there is a case sensitive. It means uppercase letter, it doesn't it different meaning, and lowercase letter different meaning. Okay, fourth one is the space between tag does not matter. For example, if you write to bold tag and give you a space, and same way if you write to bold text and give the large amount of space, there is no difference between these two lines. Okay, fifth rule, the tag name cannot contain space. It means if you want to write a tag, it does not need to any space or any gap between the wording. Like body, B space, O space, D space is not same as body without space. There is a quite difference. Okay. Now, sixth rule. The sixth rule is HTML or element. Yeah, HTML element can be nested. For example, if you want stylistic tags, also make it bold. We can write it D tag, I tag, correct the order of tag, close italic tag, and close bold tag. This is correct, and the other one is incorrect because we starting the bold tag and closing bold tag first. Actually, we close bold tag after the italic tag. Okay. This is the HTML. Now, the structure of an HTML document is depend upon some things. This is the basic form of HTML structure, which can I show. Okay, like this is the basic structure. Okay, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, head close, body tag, and body and HTML tag. And this is also same structure which I make a web page on the name of server web page. Okay, now move to another slide. So we discuss about these things. In HTML, first we define the document type. Document type, okay, DOC type, HTML or document type element. This element is a starting element in the HTML document and specify the type of document. It means if you want to draw a web page, you can give the tag it to web page. Okay, and then HTML element. The HTML element is written after the doc type. It means if you define a document in HTML file, it contains the element. Okay, then HTML head or a head tag. The head tag is a container element that includes the identifier and additional information about the document. Okay, so if you want to additional information like title, like style, like subscript, you use head tag. Okay, and the title of element. The title of element has title of your web page. Like this is the title of the title element or title of web page, server web page, and this is, we can see this is here server web page. This is become a title. Okay, now move out to next slide. Body. Body is the main element of the HTML web page or HTML document. The body element has defined the main content of your web page. It includes image, text, etc, audio. So if we write a line on body, if you are I am a teacher. So if you want to write any line, so we can use the body tag, and the line is in between into body to slash body. Okay, and I can save this file and refresh my web browser, and here is a new line. Okay, I am a teacher. Now practical time or practice time. I hope you can understand this video, and these are the examples or these are the MCQs. I have discussed in next video about your question answer, your MCQs and your task if you want to draw a website. So Allah Hafiz. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay.